Easy English sentences that you can practice with your kids. What is in the breakfast?
What is in the breakfast?
Let's go to the market.
Let's go to the market.
I am completing my homework.
I am completing my homework.
It's time to play.
It's time to play.
My mom is sleeping.
My mom is sleeping.
I am tired.
I am tired.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's time for bed.
It's time for bed.
I am feeling hungry.
I am feeling hungry.
I want chocolate.
I want chocolate.
Can you read me a story?
Can you read me a story?
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
What is the time?
What is the time?
Thank you for the party.
Thank you for the party.
May I come in?
May I come in?
Where is your school bag?
Where is your school bag?
Give me a glass of water.
Give me a glass of water.
Do exercise daily.
Do exercise daily.
Don't talk in classroom.
Don't talk in classroom.
I am sick.
I am sick.
Where are you?
Where are you?
It is my idea.
It is my idea.
What is in the box?
What is in the box?
She is my teacher.
She is my teacher.
This is my pen.
This is my pen.
I am feeling hot.
I am feeling hot.
My father is out of station.
My father is out of station.
Help me.
Help me.
I am in the library.
I am in the library.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
Friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.